Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This here's Portie's Garage. On today's episode, we're back on the 996. What we're looking at today are the front seats. Now, these front seats aren't that bad, quite honestly, but they do need a little sprucing up. I did some research online. I actually saw a video by Ammo NYC, and he used a company called Fibrenew. After looking into that a little bit, I saw they had some franchises across the United States, and there's actually one close to Portie's Garage. So I've made an appointment to have the seats redone while I'm on vacation next week. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take the seats out, get them ready to take over to Fibrenew, and then when I come back from vacation, I'm going to pick them up, put them back in, no lost cruising time in the 911. So with that said, let me take you over and show you the seats first of all, and then we'll show how to take them out. Be right back. Okay guys, coming over here to the passenger side, you can see right here, kind of got the light on it. Maybe it's a little bit too bright. I'm not sure. Hopefully this is coming across good on the camera, but you can see right here, we've got some minor, I don't know what you'd call that, just scratches, creases, cracks, whatever. Not too bad over here on this side, not too bad on the bolsters here either. But what we really have is over here on the driver's side. Let me take you over here. I'll open up the door for this one. This is where we got a lot of the wear and tear. You can see there, not a lot, or a lot, I should say, of cracks in both the seat and the back bolster. So that's really what I'm looking to take care of. All right, overall, not too shabby. With that said, let me set up here and I'll show you how to take the seats out. All right, so I pulled the seat forward. There's a couple things here. One, I'm missing the plastic cover here, so it makes it really easy to do this one. Red dot on the bolt means those are the ones you take off. On this side, what you have here is you have a little cover. You can lift this up. It's kind of hard to see here maybe. But you can lift it up and slide it back a little bit and gain access to that red bolt there. And that's what we'll do there. So we'll take off both of those. And then I'll come over here to the front. No, these aren't electric seats. Sorry about that. Then on the front ones, you actually have a screw here on both sides. You take that screw off, these slide out, and then you undo both bolts there. So I'm gonna set you guys up while I do this, and then once we get that done, show you how to take the connector off under the seat. Okay guys, now that we're in the back here, got a few tools here. The first thing you're gonna need is a reverse Torx. It's an E14. Now, I have not taken these seats out before, so I got my breaker bar here so we can at least get them started. Try this out here. Yeah, they're a little bit tough. Not too bad there. Let's get the light back over here. And again, just kind of lift this up and push it back. You would think you'd be able to slide this whole thing out, but there's a little lip on this one here that it doesn't allow you to quite get it back. Let me try to lift this up a little bit. And if you pull it back too much, you can't get the thing to come up. Trying to be delicate here because this is 20-year-old plastic. There we go. There we go. Now I can use my trusty Milwaukee to tighten the rest of the way out. Whoops, tightening. I don't want to show you this plastic thing here. It slides off afterwards. This little piece right here is what keeps it from sliding all the way back out. Now if you got it loose a little bit, it should come out. But again, trying to take it easy because this is old plastic and I really don't want to wreck it. as I've already missed the one on the driver's side. So apparently the seats have been out before. All right, let me reset and pull you up front. Okay guys, here we are in the front. So again, there's gonna be 2 screws in the front here, 1 on each side. This just slides off real easy. Same thing on this side. If I can see it, there it is. All right, now that we got that done, we want to get to the electrical connections underneath. Again, these are for side airbags and different things like that. So make sure you disconnected the battery and do not have the key in the ignition. I'm gonna fold this up a little bit to give it a little more room. And now you can see the plug here. Let me get the light here a little bit more on this maybe. I don't know if that helps at all. But what we want to do here is there's a little plug, little pull on the sides right here. Probably help if I had there we go. So that just slides out. This little piece right here slides in and out. Once you slide it out, it's one of those pull out plugs. Boom, we are done. So that's how you take the seats out, guys. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take these over to Fibrenew tomorrow after work, and then I'm gonna go on vacation while they get done. So it'll be really quick for you guys, but it's gonna be a week for me. I'll see you guys next week. Hey, and if you guys like this Porsche hat, I'll put a link below on Amazon. It's a pretty sweet little hat for all you Porsche people out there. All right, guys, guess what? I'm back. And you know what that means? The seats are back too. Check these babies out. This is the passenger side. And if you guys recall this right up here, this side bolster was all cracked up. Looks beautiful now, doesn't it? Looks almost brand new. There's the side bolster down there. Try to get a couple different angles here. And then for the big part on the driver's side, you remember this? Holy cow, I'll try to put some pictures in here to kind of show the difference. It just looks amazing. You would not even know, especially up here. Look at that. Unbelievable. Bruce at Fibrenew did an awesome job. These seats look amazing. So now, let's get them back in the car. All right, guys, got the seat back in. Let's get her plugged in, then we can start bolting her down. Nice and tight like a tiger. There's a couple pins in the back it needs to hit on. So you know you got her down right. Okay, this one looks good here. Now I did say this was an E14, it's an E12. Sorry about that. Now these do torque down to 48 foot-pounds, but I'm not gonna do that until I put the back ones in. So let's slide this forward and go get the back ones. All right, now they got the front ones in. Let's put these back ones in real quick. Make sure this button goes down over the nut. Okay, we're all locked up here in the back. Again, 48 foot-pounds of torque on these. Let's go back up to the front, torque those up, put the covers back on. Okay, now back up front, let's go ahead and torque these front ones down, 48 foot-pounds. All right, put these covers back on. And there you have it. Seats back in, torque down to 48 foot-pounds. All right, guys, that's it. Pretty easy job. Me and Charlie like what we see in here. So if you want to check this out, look at how amazing these seats have turned out. I want to give a shout out to Bruce at Fibrenew. I'll put his link below so you guys can check out Fibrenew across the country. With that, thank you guys for joining me on this little journey. Like, subscribe, put those post notifications on, and we'll see you on the next one.